In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use live docs in Confluence. Live docs are real-time collaborative documents that let you and your team work together on content at the same time, without getting in each other's way. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you from creating a live doc to giving it a clear title, and then customizing the page so it really works for your team. Let's start from your Confluence workspace. At the top of the screen, you'll see the option to create new content. Look for the Create button, usually marked with a plus sign. Go ahead and click that. This is your starting point anytime you want to build something new in Confluence, whether it's a page, a blog post, or in this case, a live doc. After clicking Create, a menu of content types will appear. From this list, choose Live Doc. Remember, a live doc is essentially a shared document that updates in real time as people type, so you'll see your teammates' changes instantly. This makes it perfect for things like meeting notes, brainstorming, project plans, or anything that benefits from multiple contributors at once. Once your new live doc opens, the first thing you should do is give it a clear, descriptive title. Click into the title field at the top of the page and type something that tells everyone what this document is for. For example, you might use titles like Q1 Planning Live Doc or Team Stand-Up Notes. A good title makes it easy to find later and helps your team immediately understand the purpose of the page. After naming your live doc, it's time to customize the page so your team can work efficiently. Use headings to break the document into sections such as agenda, action items, or discussion. You can add text, checklists, and tables to structure the content. If your team follows a regular format, you might set up a simple template within the page, leaving space for notes, decisions, and follow-ups. Think about how your teammates will use this live doc, where they'll type, what they need to see first, and how they'll track updates. You can also leave short instructions at the top of the page, like where to add new items or how to tag people for follow-ups. Once everything looks good, you and your team are ready to start collaborating in real time using your new live doc in Confluence.